Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. My name is Kelsey. I'm a graphic designer. I work full-time at a creative studio, but I also do my own design services on the side, so I can get busy and messy real quick. I do this refresh whenever I feel like I really need it. I do it at the beginning of the year or anytime I really, again, need to do it and clean up and set some goals. And I'm hoping I can help you with that as well. This is great for any creatives, for anyone that has a full-time job or maybe has a side hustle or has their own business. And whatever it is, I am going to take you through these 4 different steps, and I hope it helps you. Okay, for step number 1, it's really getting organized. And this is something that I do not do enough and I need to do more of, but it's basically cleaning up your desk space, and this is your digital space. So you need to clean up your desktop. I always am like saving too many things there real quick, or I'm saving them as random names, and it's good to just go in and really reflect and get those things organized. I like to put these in different folders and save them in different categories so that I really know where they are when I'm looking for them later on. This is also a great time to really back up everything. I have things that are being backed up on the iCloud, but I also like to take things and put them on my Google Drive, or I also like to put them on an actual hard drive and really have them in a safe spot. And then I can also free up space on my computer, which is just so great. And then I can really delete them off of there and then have that space for new work. Okay, step number 2 is to plan your social content. This is great for developing a pattern for your grid, to actually have a scope of what you're going to be posting each day. And I like to do this for obviously like my Instagram grid and then Instagram stories. And if you want to get into Pinterest, you can do that. If you want to get into TikTok or doing Instagram Reels, that's great too. But it's great to just have an idea compared to just going in and having the day come up and not knowing what you're going to post. So I just do this by going into Google Calendar, and I create little different tasks, which are really great because then once I've done them, I can mark them off, and I just put in the caption what I'm going to exactly post. And then I also like to create a mock-up of the look of my grid by doing this in Adobe Illustrator. You can also do this in a Google Slide. You can do it by using an app. There are many different ways, but it's really helpful into developing a cohesive style and look that fits with your brand. Step number 3 really goes hand in hand with step number 2, so it's developing goals. And this goes a lot with your socials, so creating how many you want to post each week, how many you want to do of each of those different social categories I just talked about, or if you want to create like more so client goals, if you want to create goals for your website views. There's so many different ways you can do it, and then it's just great if you do it by month or by week and you go through and mark those and you see how you grow. I do this by just having it in a Google spreadsheet, but you can do it in so many different ways. It's been really great to help me stay motivated and on track and see that there is progression happening. So this is especially great if you're just starting out. And the 4th step is to just really go through and update your content. So this is on your different digital spaces, so all your different social places where you are, and then also on your website. This is huge because it's great to update your case studies, it's great to update your feature section, or maybe your about you section, or photos of yourself on there. And it's really just great to have an updated look overall, so if people are returning to your website, they have a new look to look at and they know that you are staying on top of it. And that's really it. That is the 4-step process. I hope this helped you if you are going in and starting a new business, or if you have a side hustle, or if you just need to get overall more organized. This is what I do. And again, please go ahead and use this in the new year or whenever you are seeing this video. It's just really great to refresh and get back on track. So give this video a like, comment below what you do to start off your new year, and let me know if you have any questions.